gonna show you how I learned to dance like this. And this. And this. I learned to dance on the TV. I'm gonna try the moonwalk. I'm just gonna look and try and follow it. I just look at them and then I try to copy them. From Christmas, I did good. From that, I did very good. My dad says that.
Back and then switch.
Alright, so I'm Selyna's dad. I want to talk a little bit about this from a parent's perspective. So when we started this, what I did was to try and teach Selyna how to break a dance down into different steps, so it would be easier to learn one tiny little step instead of trying to learn a whole dance at the same time. So children are gonna solve this differently. They might have different preferences, but I think it's important to give them a blueprint so that they can follow that if they so choose. In Selyna's case, she found her own way of doing it. She would actually try to do the dance in its entirety. So obviously in the beginning, yeah, I saw that your dance was not so detailed, but then the more time you spent practicing that dance, the more the details came out. And eventually, you'd have all the details in the dance.
I had dance classes with the teacher, but when I studied at home, my mom said it was better than going to classes. Sometimes the biggest problem is it's too quick, but sometimes the biggest problem is difficult. The steps are difficult. Okay, I turn on the TV, go to YouTube, find the shorts, and try to repeat and repeat and repeat. When the shorts is finished, I slide down and slide down.
But going forward, I think we're gonna do things a little bit differently. So up until this point, it has been quite rudimentary dances that she has learned, not so advanced. So when the steps are more advanced, I think it would be smart to have a sort of tutor, maybe on YouTube. Doesn't necessarily have to be a teacher.
I just know I want to dance at home with the TV. Daddy?
Yeah.
What is blueprint?
Blueprint is just, I will explain you later.